To my favorite person, Besh, congrats to us after all the wedding preparations and sleepless nights. We are finally here. We have prayed and prepared for this, our dream, and it's finally happening. Thank you, Lord.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders.
Besh kong mahal. Unang beses pa lang na nakita kita, naramdaman ko na agad na gusto kong mapalapit sa'yo, kahit kaibigan lang. Pero tulad ko, iba rin pala ang plano ng Diyos, at dahil doon, labis ako nagpapasalamat sa Kanya dahil hindi lang talaga pagiging magkaibigan ang binigay niya, kundi isang espesyal na relasyong hahantong sa pagkakaroon ko na maganda, mabait, at walang kaparehas na magiging kasama at katuwang habang buhay.
So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
We started from friend to Besh, and now we will become husband and wife. Thank you for being so patient with me and for loving me for who I am.
Sulit ang mahabang panahong paghihintay, sulit ang lahat ng challenges na pinagdaanan, sulit dahil nandito ka na.
Darling, love me over me.
I can still remember when I was in high school, our teacher asked us to pray for our future partner. Without having anyone specific in mind, we were told to simply pray for our dream or ideal person. And so I did. I prayed to God, Lord, ito po yung mga gusto ko sana. And if wala, edi wag na lang po. Pero if meron, Lord, baka naman. And God answered that prayer through you. Lahat ng pinag-pray ko noon, talagang binigay ni Lord.
So in love, so in love, 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 so in love.
Ja and mga anak, you are entering this very important covenant relationship. You will be tested along the way, and I'm not scaring you. Pero lagi niyong tatandaan, this covenant will also allow you to understand the need to make sacrifices. At magagawa niyo yan because you firmly love each other.
There's a light from a million suns burning through your blood. Feel the rivers run, a window to the hope and wildest truth. It's all for you. There's a song and it sings in the air. Wonderful the sound, hear it everywhere. Shouting like a drum, let it echoes through. It's all for you. You gotta open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out. Let it take your heart away. You gotta open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out. Let it take your heart away.
Ngayong araw na ito, nangako ako na mamahalin ka, uunawain, aalagaan, aalalayan at paglilingkuran ka sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Araw-araw kitang pipiliin, bawat sandali ay paparamdam ko sa iyong mahal kita at nandito ako para sa iyo.
I promise to be with you in every win and every loss. I promise to hold your hand through the best and worst of times. I promise to trust you, always respect you, and love you more and more each day. Sasamahan at pipiliin kita araw-araw hanggang sa pagtanda na to.
Gotta open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out. Let it take your heart away. You gotta open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out. Let it take your heart away.
Besh, kung magiging asawa ko, sasamahan kita sa lahat ng gusto mong puntahan. Lahat ng pagkain gusto mong tikman, lahat ng kapihan na gusto mong pagpicturan. Higit sa lahat, sabay tayong lalago sa pananampalataya ng Diyos at magkasabay na maglilingkod sa Kanya. Kasama na rin yung ating magiging mga anak. Pangakong hindi ako magbabago, mas magiging mabait pa, maunawain at mapagpasensya kahit na tayo ay tumanda na. Mahal na mahal kita, Da, at best ng buhay ko.
Stars, you shine on me. Your light is the only thing that keeps the cold out.
It was very obvious in your life how God's grace moved and filled you up. As you commit yourself to one another, make Jesus a part of it. A big, big part
So
of
I
it.
tell you a million tiny things that you have never known. It all gets tangled up inside, and I tell you a million little ways.
I can't wait to be your partner in life forever. I am so excited to travel and explore new places with you. Finally. Truly, as what the Song of Solomon 3:4 says, I have found the one whom my soul loves. I love you, Jericho Gusi Gregorio. And I am glad to be your wife.
So I tell you a million tiny things that you have never known. It all gets tangled up inside, and I tell you a million little reasons falling for your eyes. I just want to be where you are. Tell you a million tiny things that you have never known. It all gets tangled up inside. Tell you a million little reasons falling for your eyes. I just want to be where you are.